Hello, Paul here from EMD. Just want to show you what I'm doing today. So we just received a repair kit for this car here for the actual diesel. Repair kit for the actual harness, glow plugs harness. So I'll show you what I mean. So the glow plugs harness looks like this. So we just repaired it. Alright, I already soldered the wire inside, and then I'm just using these ones here for waterproofing to stop water from getting in. But this is the one I'm replacing. So these are all brand new, 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on both sides, and 6 of the brand new glow plugs, which is this one here. Let me zoom in. That part there, that one there. 6 brand new glow plugs, because the old one didn't even come on when we actually tested. So we finished doing that, so I'll go all the repair harness out. So look here, that's a brand new one. Once we finish putting the intake back on, then we'll plug that one back in. But I'm gonna put new one of these here. I'm not gonna leave it bare like just a wire. I'm gonna put one of those on to stop it, just to make it look nicer and protect the wiring harness. Okay, it's a common problem with the Cayenne. They just perish, the rubber perish and they break in half and cracks. So let's go here, have a look at the actual intake, how the intake's going. So this is the intake now. Already been cleaned. We just finished putting the new gaskets here. Brand new gaskets there. New gasket here. And new gasket on this side here as well. And there's another gasket that goes under this one here, which is that one there. That's a new gasket. New gasket, sorry. And then we're gonna put the intake manifold on first, and after that we'll get it all done, replace the battery, and then put the car back on the hoist. And then we're going to fit the DBF. The DBF was commercial cleaning's been done, sent back to us. We have it now, so and then we're gonna go from there. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.